What's up guys, Nick here for Daily Vape TV. Today is ZampleBox unboxing day. That's right, today I'm going to be unboxing this July edition of my ZampleBox subscription. As you can see, it's the same packaging from last month. It has a little shout out to those who serve, and it's a little digital camo looking thing here. Hopefully I get some good stuff in here, so let's check it out, open it up, and take a look. So here is our July edition of our ZampleBox. Now let's open her up and see what's inside. Dun, 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 dun. So here's a new thing. Haven't got this one before. It's basically a little thank you card. And we got some coupons here. This is AR e-liquid. And apparently this won the E-Liquid Excellence Award for 2014 on Spin Fuel, which I am now a part of. So, way to go guys. Here we have Victory Liquid. I'm a big fan of the Sunburst flavor, as you can see in my video. There we go. We got Lick Vapors. And it's a little sticker. Cool. Here's what you all want to see. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Right in front we got the standard tater. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got here. So there's the standard tater. Oh yeah, more Victory Liquid. This one is Formula 1. This is Must Vape. Handlebar. We have some more Omega. Kronos flavor. Some more Lick Vapors. This is Pink Mist. And finally, AR e-liquid Tiger Blood. So here we have our juice haul. It looks like we have, let's see, 30, 60, 90, over 100 mils of e-liquid here. So that's pretty darn good for not having the gold package. Pretty excited about the standard tater. I've heard about it before. It's kind of an enigma to me. It looks a little funky. It's got tater tots on it, but supposedly it's not a tater tot flavor. So looking forward to that one. Really excited to try some more Lick flavors, Victory Liquid, some more Omega. These are two new ones. Haven't tried them before, so gonna give them a whirl, test them out, let you know my opinions on them. Let's go back to the main screen and we'll do a quick sniff test. Alright guys, we're back. So first up we're going to start off with the standard tater. Let's give it a quick smell test here. I have no idea. Definitely going to have to look this one up. It's almost like a spiced rum. I'm really lost on that one. That's definitely going to have to wait till the full review on that one to really find out. Alright, next up we're going to do Lick. And this is Pink Mist. Ooh, that's nice. It's almost like a Twizzler kind of flavor, maybe like a cherry something. Again, just wait till the full reviews. This is definitely a first impression. Next we have Victory Liquid Formula 1. It's very similar to the last one. Could just be the remnants left over, but I know that flavor. It's almost tropical. I'm gonna go with some sort of tropical blend there. Okay, this is Omega Chronos. Definitely a dessert vape. Getting vanilla. Maybe cinnamon. So vanilla cinnamon, I'm guessing for that one. Okay, this is Must Vape Handlebar. I'm getting like a melon, maybe like a cantaloupe peach maybe. Seems interesting to me. Something I would be into for sure. Now we have AR E-Liquid. This is Tiger Blood. I'm getting almost like a black cherry maybe, with a hint of maybe cream. It's a tough one to read. Let's give it one more sniff. I'm thinking cherry for that one. Could be wrong, who knows. I'll look them up later. Wait for the full review if you want to really check them out. Alright, so that was my ZampleBox unboxing for July. If you want to get a ZampleBox subscription for yourself, I'll have the link in the description. Tomorrow we have Fresh Build Friday. It's going to be a good one. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Just want to give a huge shout out to all my Tumblr followers. Just hit 1,500. Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate the support. Don't forget to like my page on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, vape on.